traditional yung houses nila. We will just buy the stuff of the kids for school. Pero nandito tayo, so tingin-tingin. Let's go, be. Ala, there's a pet gallery, oh. Siguro meron dyan. Yung rabbit store are for clothes of the kids. Since it's start of school. Let's get the kids their stuff. May Daiso dito, be, oh. So, nagkamali na ano. Hinahanap natin yung rabbit store for clothes, but we're here already. So, let's check. For the school supplies. Cute dito. Oh, makeup pa to. I got this. Oh, look. Oh, cute ng Daiso. I got a card. Saan na sila? Nahanap ko yung mga people of the world. Okay. Let's just see. Back to school shopping daw ba siya? Back to school. Hi! How about David? Back to school choosing stuff. Uy, be, ang cute. Ang cute ng mga ballpen dito. Alam mo, ito ang gusto ko dito, be. Ang dami nilang cute shapes and everything. Let's take a video, ha? Yung ano. Yung setting. Ang dami. Umaya. Choose. Hi! David! Outside? Outside? Adas, are you excited?
Yeah.
Let's get socks for David. Cute. There's many more styles. Pink, green, brown.
Dude, why are
This
your
one's-
hands are so destroyed?
This one is my favorite. It's this one too. Ay, this one too. It's butterfly beo. Daming cute, no? Okay, enjoy! Ito beo, it's so fun in here. Look, so big and everything. Meron pang face mask. Oh my gosh, face masks. It's fun. There's mirror. Okay. Oh, I hope Sophie Belle will still fit on this. Sophie is in, their Lola's house. This is so cute, be. Oh, magkano kaya to? $3. 150 pesos. Let's try to check something for Count Dracula. And for Sophie Belle. Ang cute. For dogs. Ay, ang cute nito, be. Promise. Gusto ko ng blue version nito. Or ito na lang. For Count. Ito kay Sophie Belle. Cute, 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 cute. This one is really fatty. I don't know if Sophie will fit on this or this one. Para kasi malaki na sila eh. In like 1 year, we will meet them again. Diba? Mamamit na natin ulit si Sophie Belle and Count Dracula. There are toys for them too. Toys for dogs. Cute. Katuwa, may tabo pala dito. So, pipiliin natin ang pink. Oh my gosh, just get it. Ask natin si Hannah for like pencil case. Oh, there's pink. She likes pink. It's pig. There's like puppy. Let's check. Choosing. Hannah, what did you choose?
Teddy.
How about Hadassah?
Actually,
I don't know what to choose, be. Yun na lang dadaling ko sa US. Cinnamoroll. Kasi wala nito. Sa online, pwedeng mag-order. Kukunin ko yung Cinnamoroll. Very cute. Ay, ang cute naman ito. It reminds us of our elementary life. I like it. Alang cute. Ayun na nga lang. Kasi adults na. Mamili dito, be. Oh, ang cute. Oh, Victorian. And this one. Look at it. Cute. It's apple. So cute. Coffee cups. Be, oh, yung mga items. Ito yung hinahanap ko. Bakit kaya wala silang princess style? Disney or the brown, native, or pink? Hannah! Hi, David! Cute flowers. Let's look, they have plants. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. They oh, cutie. So cute. So pretty. It's relaxing. It's relaxing. David Beo. Hi! Wait, smile! Aburido na si David. Gusto nang kumain. Ayan. Si David. Look at the... Tinitignan niya yan, Betoys. You wanna see? But, ito try niya kuhain pero hindi niya makuha. Oh. Get a toy for him. Let's roll up. Baby! Huggy! Ow! Don't bite it! Binite ka agad. Hindi naman cute to eh. Nakakatakot nga. Akala ko iyak yung palis. Tingnan mo. Baby! He's biting it immediately. He's so funny. Just hug it. Don't bite it. Ano, Alan? Hug. Yay! We love you, beautiful physique every day. Pala yung princesses. Look, see? Kasi ang laki nito, be. Ang ganda, be. Oh. Ang laki nito, oh. Wala bang pink nito? Ba't purple? Hanap tayo. Ito, ang laki-laki. Grabe. Hindi kasya yan sa iyong bag. For makeup. Animals. Let's look at the animals, be. Look at that, be. And priceless. Look at the puppy. Look at the puppy. So cute. And they're all babies. Oh, yung cute ng cakes, no? Yun ang cute, be, oh. Wow, I love to make cakes. Ang cute. Magkano kaya cakes nila? Favorite kong market dito, be. Kasi mura siya. Mura dito, be. As in, yung mga meat at saka vegetables. And I are in the elevator. Hi! He's so hungry. He ate the bread I brought for him. David will eat. This is his food bed. This one. David, grabe. Cute ng plant bed.
David.
Let's eat. We're here. Oh, let's open, David. Ay, let's open. Yay, we're here. David will go. Ang ganda be, oh. It's so pretty, no? Ang ganda be. Rabbit store. It's affordable here, be. You have clothes, they have shoes for kids. Kasi nilibre sila ng uncle nila, so magagamit natin yan for their school. Going back to school. Ayan. Outfits. And, uy, ang cute. Ang daming cute. Hi. Hala. Hala, ang cute. Strollers for baby. For babies. Hi, David. He's removing his socks. He keep on removing his socks. Let's get shoes for David. Ang mura ng shoes, babe. May tig 100 yata dito at saka 200 pesos. So, tara. Isama natin si David sa libre ng kanilang tito. Iba to. Kung pipili ako para kay David, ito or ito? Brown or blue? Ito pa, my gosh. Ang cute, no? Hanap tayo. Kuha natin si David. At be for David. David, what do you want? I like this for him. Look, oh. He's throwing his socks on. You like it? Aww, we love you. Take care every day, beautiful friends. We love you. Ito gusto ko, be. Ito yung hinahanap ko kanina eh, sa ano, sa baunan. They're choosing their bag. And this is David's shoes. This is Hadassah.
Oh, friends, back to school.
What do you have, Hannah?
I got
You like? I chose this for her, be.
I got
I like this.
like two. This is a disgrace.
Disgrace.
We're not eating it. We're eating it.
David is sleeping, be. Where's David? He's super sleeping.
I don't wonder. I'm ready to mix.
Okay, ready?
Nope.
Cheers. Cheers.
Cheers. It's super cheesy. I eat this every single day. For breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Ang ganda din ng weather. The weather is great. Hannah's enjoying and Hadassah. Try chocolate. Bite, boy. Like when Sits try it, he's going up the the barricade. So bite, boy. Ooh, good boy. He has teeth now.
Save school. Save school.
What's your grade, Hadassah?
I'm gonna be going to 4th grade.
How about you,
I'm
Hannah?
going to 3rd grade.
Wow, it's so fast. 4th grade and 3rd grade. Enjoy school. School, Hadassah and Hannah. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Are you nervous? Not so much. Not so much. I'm excited for you to see friends. Okay. David! Oh, I cleared here so that it's much better. And then table a little bit. I'll just get your book down there. And then David is watching. I told him if he goes on the other side, I'm going to turn off his show. So he kind of understand what I mean. Earlier, he jumped over. So I turned off his show. Ayun si David. Clearing. A little bit on the sofa. I'll check week here because week ID, my week ID, Hannah gave it to me because David opened it there few days ago. Ayan. David! Just trying, babe. And then I put this. Let's make more. Doing this, and I'm here hiding from David. Oh, what is he doing? Hi, David. We love you. Take care. I already cleared a little bit, and then a little bit more pala, may toys pa siya. Okay, let's do this first. Let's make more. Ano kayang iisipin mo pa yung inspiration, no? More on colorful ako, be. Kasi, di ba, let's make our lives colorful. Our everyday colorful. Be. Cheers. Oh, cheers. Cheers mo na sana yun. He's trying to get the other one. But I told him, one for him, one for me. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Cheers. Cheers. Ding. You're a baby. We love you, baby. Okay. Hi, David.
He doesn't like hugs. He wants to say hi to the camera.
Oh, I'm going to organize this. Ano siya ha? Just don't mind the box. I just saw that box. See, I'm fixing this earrings. And ang cute niya. Oh, may mga frog, ganyan. I'm going to sell it in the bazaar. And look at, on 30th, mag-join tayo ba? Ginugulo ako ni David. Nilagay ko na lang dito. I put it here in this box so it's protected. Look at cute. $1. Ang sarap pala sumali sa mga bazaars, be. Enjoy. Uy, Yung tipong yung isi-sell mo, gusto mong gamitin. Gusto mong gamitin. Konti pa lang yan. Hi, David! Okay. Iano muna natin. Ayoko nang magawa ng pansit. Mahirap eh. Along, egg roll with side of vegetable. Baka chop suey. Konti lang. Freebie. Oops! Okay, we love you! With a toddler. Anong tawag dito? Packing. Pinapack ko siya, pero ayaw ni David ipapack sa akin. Tinutulak. Tingnan niyo. Ang cute niya. De. Ay, hindi na masyado yung frog, but the other ones are okay. Like the cherry. If they like it. And since it's so affordable, diba? Hindi ko siya iaano ng mahal. Ay, ito hindi. Pang kids yata to. Even na 25 years old if they wanna wear something like this. And if you're not allergic. This one is so big. I'm not sure if who will wear this. But me, if it's a party, I think I can wear this. But I'm not. I'm selling it. So I have to control my... I kept the pink ones, be. Para siyang, basta, pakita ko sa yung pink one na ko, kinip ko. So, I wanna make this so that it's kind of like handmade with love. But I don't have time. Look at him. Okay, we love you. Take care every day. Bye. We will bring this stand. I still have to work on this one. Let's put it in this. Thankfully, I have a lot of like this, be. Wala na nga akong time mag-nails, be. Wala na. Puro na lang tayo nito part-time. But, it's just, once a month. Bazaar. Parang, ngayon nga lang, August. They don't have last month, too. Okay. Si David, nangungulit. Have a great day. We love you.